I'm trying to fucking figure out.
Oh,
To get stuck.
Mr. Two.
Steve. The job is Steve's fat ass.
Again.
My name is not Matt. Thank you. Ooh, you hear the sound of this? It's the sound of people who have nothing to lose. But it's useful as Amazon.
I think it's
Don't
Amazon.
forget to look for ceiling monsters.
Oh, Amazon. Yeah, we need to find the monster. We need to seek him out, guys. Nice, let's go. 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 Where's Kim?
I don't know. Kimbo, where?
Bye, Kim. Your death was
Bye.
not in vain.
Your death is not in vain.
I'll make sure to give Steve your portion.
Oh, there's Kim. Right to us. Great.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out. Kim's dead. Let's go. Let's go. You just walked past the ship like a dipshit. Jesus
Guys!
Christ.
Get that on video?
I don't know. Do I hear something? Let's go. Let's go.
I got a fucking loss from you guys. I got a fucking giant